Dreaming of flying in style? Check out these 10 most expensive private jets in the world. Flying private is the ultimate luxury. It is a way to travel in comfort and style without having to worry about the hassles of commercial air travel. And for those who can afford it, there are some truly luxurious private jets on the market. Here are 10 of the most expensive private jets in the world. Airbus A380, $600 million. The Airbus A380 is the world's largest passenger aircraft, and it's also the most expensive private jet. It can accommodate up to 85 passengers in its VIP configuration, and it features a luxurious interior with a master bedroom, a shower room, and a dining room. Boeing 747-8 VIP, $367 million. The Boeing 747-8 VIP is the longest and most capable private jet in the world. It can fly up to 14,140 nautical miles without refueling. Boeing 787-8 Dreamliner BBJ, $324.6 million. The Boeing 787-8 Dreamliner BBJ is the most popular private jet in the world. It's known for its long range and fuel efficiency. Gulfstream G650, $71.5 million. The Gulfstream G650 is the fastest and longest range private jet in the world. It can fly up to 7,500 nautical miles without refueling, and it features a spacious interior with a master bedroom, a shower room, and a dining room. Bombardier Global 7500, $73 million. The Bombardier Global 7500 is the newest and most advanced private jet from Bombardier. It's designed to offer the highest level of comfort and luxury, and it Dassault Falcon 10X, $47 million. The Dassault Falcon 10X is the newest and most advanced private jet from Dassault. It's designed to offer the highest level of comfort and luxury, and it features a spacious interior with a master bedroom, a shower room, and a dining room. Embraer Lineage 1000E, $53 million. The Embraer Lineage 1000E is the largest and most luxurious private jet from Embraer. It features a spacious interior with a master bedroom, a shower room, and a dining room. Bombardier Global Express, $47.7 million. The Bombardier Global Express is one of the most popular private jets in the world. It's known for its long range and fuel efficiency. These are just a few of the many luxurious and expensive private jets that are available around the world. If you're dreaming of flying in style, these private jets may be just the ticket. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this